Hello and welcome to this video. Today we will learn how to prepare authentic Cornish pastries using a short crust pastry and savory meat and vegetable filling. Follow these detailed systematic steps to create a delicious golden brown pastry that is perfect as a hearty meal. Required equipment and utensils. Mixing bowl for combining and mixing ingredients for both pastry and filling. Sieve for sieving the dry ingredients in the pastry. Pastry board for rolling and shaping the pastry dough. Rolling pin for rolling out the pastry. Cutting knife for cutting meat and vegetables. Fork for beating the egg using the glaze. Egg brush for glazing the pastries for a glossy finish. Greaseproof paper for lining the baking tray. Baking tray for baking the pastries in the oven. Tablespoon and teaspoon for measuring small quantities of ingredients. Oven for baking the pastries. Short crust pastry ingredients. Flour, soft, 200 grams or 500 grams. Salt, a pinch or large pinch. Margarine, 100 grams or 125 grams. Water, 2 to 3 tablespoons or 5 to 8 tablespoons. Filling ingredients. Chunk steak, carved, 175 grams or 300 grams. Potatoes, 100 grams or 200 grams. Swede or turnip, optional, a half or 1. Onion, 1 small or 2 small. Thyme, 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoons. Salt and pepper to taste. Gravy water or beef stock, 3 teaspoons or 5 to 6 teaspoons. Step 1. Mise en place, scaling and organizing. Start by measuring and arranging all your ingredients and equipment. Precision ensures even cooking and consistent flavor. We'll need 200 grams of flour, prepare short crust pastry. In a mixing bowl, sift flour and salt to aerate and remove lumps. Measure 100 grams of margarine. Rub in the cold margarine until the mix resembles fine breadcrumbs. This cutting in creates flaky layers. Measure 2 to 3 tablespoons of cold water for 5 to 8 pastries. Make a well and add water a tablespoon at a time and stir until firm dough forms. Handle it lightly to keep the pastry tender. Step 3. Prepare the filling. Measure 175 grams of cubed beef. Cut your beef into 10 mm cubes for even cooking. Measure 100 grams of diced potatoes and spread to match. Chop onions finely. Toast together with thyme, salt, pepper, and enough stock to moisten but not soak. A lightly coated filling steams inside the pastry for a succulent interior. Step 4. Preheat the oven. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Gas mark 6. A fully heated oven ensures immediate steam formation for a crisp, flaky crust. Step 5. Shape and fill the pastries. Divide the pastry into equal portions about 120 grams each. On a floured board, roll each into a 15 cm circle. Spoon 2 to 3 tablespoon filling onto one half, leaving a 1 cm border. Brush the edges with water, fold over and press the edges together. Crimp the seam by pinching or using your fingers to seal and create the classy pasty ridge. Step 6. Glaze and bake. Line a tray with grease-proof paper. Arrange the pastries seam side by side. Brush the top slightly with milk or beaten egg for a glossy golden finish. Bake at 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes until the pastry is crisp and deeply golden. Step 7. Rest and serve. Let your pastries rest for 5 minutes. This lets the filling set and prevents the pastry from becoming soggy. Serve warm as a hearty meal or pack them cold for a traditional Cornish snack on the go.